In Japan, laziness isn't a personality trait. It's treated as a symptom, something to fix. Over centuries, the Japanese refined 7 methods to fight low motivation, mental fog, and stalling. None of them require willpower or motivation. They work with your brain's wiring, not against it. Stick around for method number 7. It's the one most people never hear about. Let's start. Method 1. Kaizen, the philosophy of tiny change. Start so small, your brain can't argue with you. 1 push-up, 1 sentence, 1 minute, nothing more. This isn't a productivity hack, it's neuroscience. Big goals trigger a stress response in the amygdala, which is why your brain resists them and stalls. A goal too small to fear slips past that alarm. Harvard research found tiny habits compound over time, quietly overriding resistance, 1 small rep at a time. Consistency always beats intensity in the long run. Small and repeated wins every single time. Method 2. Ikigai, your reason for being. The real question isn't, what should I do today? It's, why am I getting out of bed at all? Ikigai sits at the overlap of 4 things: what you love, what you're good at, what the world needs, and what you're paid for. Okinawa, home to some of the longest living people on Earth, credits Ikigai as a core reason for their longevity. Studies on purpose show it raises energy, focus, and discipline. When your why is clear, effort stops feeling heavy. Take a moment and ask yourself right now, what's actually pulling me out of bed? Method 3. Hara Hachi Bu, an ancient Okinawan rule. Overeating doesn't just fill your stomach, it drains your focus, mood, and drive within the hour. Elderly Okinawans follow one simple eating rule. Stop eating at 80% full, before you feel stuffed. Digestion pulls a huge share of your body's energy. A lighter stomach means a clearer, faster-thinking brain. Most of what feels like laziness after lunch is actually just simple, physical, food-induced fatigue. Try eating slightly less at your next meal. Notice how much sharper your afternoon becomes. Method 4. Build focus through repeated rituals. Work in blocks, 25 minutes on, 5 minutes off. Before each block, repeat the exact same small ritual, a deep breath, a gesture, or even a specific sound. This is called neural anchoring in behavioral science. Your brain starts linking that cue to deep focus. Repeat it enough times and the link becomes automatic. Eventually, the ritual alone can trigger a focused state in seconds without waiting for motivation to show up. Athletes and musicians use this same trick before performing. Pick one ritual today and use it every single time. Method 5. Seiton, the Japanese art of orderliness. A cluttered room isn't just messy to look at, it creates real, measurable mental noise in your head. Clutter raises cortisol and makes you noticeably more irritable. A Princeton University study confirmed this effect directly. Visual clutter competes for your brain's limited attention. A clean, organized space frees up that attention instantly. Clear space leads directly to clear, focused work. Before your next task, spend 2 minutes tidying up. It's not a chore, it's a mental reset button. A clear desk really does mean a clearer mind. Method 6. Kintsugi, the art of golden repair. What looks like laziness is often something else entirely, a quiet, disguised fear of doing something imperfectly. Kintsugi repairs broken pottery with seams of pure gold, making the flaw part of the object's story, not a defect. Momentum is built by finishing things, not perfecting them. An imperfect finished task beats a perfect unfinished one. Ship the rough draft. Send the good enough version. You can always refine it later, after it exists. The flaw itself can become the most interesting part. Done and imperfect will always beat perfect and undone. And finally, the philosophy of Wabi-Sabi. The Japanese don't wait for the right conditions. They move forward with only what they already have. Wabi-Sabi is the beauty found in imperfection and impermanence. Chasing perfection almost always delays real action. Movement, even flawed movement, creates clarity that thinking never will. Most procrastination isn't laziness at all. It's fear, quietly wearing the mask of patience. Don't wait for a flawless version of yourself to begin. Start now, exactly as you are today. Real beauty lives in the crack, not in the perfect surface. Those are 7 real Japanese methods for treating laziness at its root, not just its surface. But knowledge alone rarely changes anything on its own. Real change needs a clear, structured daily plan, a practical daily challenge built one step at a time. It rebuilds discipline, confidence, and mental clarity. You'll come out the other side sharper and stronger, and finally back in control of your own life. Share this with someone who needs to hear it today. Your day one starts right now.